Hey there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, ReelRampage AI. So the Reel is Instagram Reels, the AI is artificial intelligence, and the Rampage is cranking out 20 to 100 Reels in seconds. So you can get tons of traffic, tons of clicks, tons of attention, and out of that comes sales, money, and so on. So let's take a look inside. You can see there's a $3 off discount coupon code here. That is listed at my website. So the link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com, and you'll see lovely pictures, bit of a description here. 3 steps. Enter a keyword to find a viral video, add a video link, or upload any video. Step 2 is with one click, AI customizes it, turns it into hundreds of hyper addictive Instagram Reel videos. So from a regular video to Reels. Step 3 is publish, schedule for months, go viral, skyrocket your reach, and generate free traffic 24/7. So Instagram's pushing it. They're pushing it on Facebook. There's still people like me making individual videos. This lets you crank stuff out. $17, $3 off discount coupon code that's listed at the bottom. The upgrade offers are here too. The main offer is 17 minus 3, $14. You can get a pro version for $37 to 4 times your traffic and income potential. So there's different things it adds. You can add 10 Instagram accounts. So obviously you can, and also remove the limitations and go unlimited. There's another done for you one. There's a couple other different editions. There's a reseller edition and so on. So you can check that out. And then it has a coupon code, and then you click the product box and boom, you're on this page. You scroll down. Sorry, I should have let you have a little look at all this, but I'll let you scroll through all this. I'm going to go down, 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 lots of bonuses, and we're at the part. So here we go. $17.95. Yeah, so $17.95, $3 off discount coupon code. Click the link in the video description. Fresh out today, #1 top seller called ReelRampage AI. It's going to crank out a bunch of Reels for you, Instagram Reels. You're going to get tons of clicks, tons of traffic, tons of interest, and that's what it's all about. So go check this out. Fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the video description, and that'll take you to ReelRampage AI. Enjoy.